Members of the Bankers Committee have frowned at the increase in demand for foreign exchange for educational and medical purposes. Addressing journalists after a meeting in Abuja, members of the committee say they are of the opinion that the foreign exchanges could be channeled into the nation's rail sector to boost economic activities.
There are different numbers that have been paraded around the number of children who go to school overseas. Some people say as much as 1 million Nigerian children go to school overseas. Now, if even they pay $20,000 per annum, or $30,000 per annum, or $40,000 per annum, the figures are staggering. It means that there is a potential demand of $20 billion, perhaps a bit more. Now, let us even assume that that's not correct, and the demand is $10 billion, or it's $5 billion. Any of those figures is unbelievable. We should not allow this demand to crowd out real sector investments, because in any event, the money that you get to pay the school fees is from, industry that is working normally, locally. The second point is that why can't we revisit the educational system and make sure our children go to school locally? Why can't we revisit the healthcare system to make sure it works, better? Why must we spend tons of money around allowing people spend money on children's school fees overseas or medical tourism, as they call it?
The pressure on foreign exchange now from school fees abroad is significant. At what point would we begin to look inwards? The pressure on medical is significant. At what point would we begin to look inwards? And I think as Nigerians, we also need to be patriotic in terms of our sentiments. We need to think about what will I sacrifice today for the long-term benefit of the country and of the economy.